So what's the benefit of having a GMB or Google listing in each city that you're working in or operating in, or having a Google listing in each market that you're in? So the way Google works is when you go on Google and search for any type of business or service, local business or local service, it's going to show you listings that are closest to you. So Google has two main factors in the way that they generate their search results. The first one is relevance, and so they want the most relevant content for their searchers or for their customers, meaning, most relevant meaning if you search for like a place to go, what's a great place to go eat pizza, they're not going to show you Chinese restaurants. So they're going to show you the most relevant. So if you search for house cleaners near me, they're going to show you house cleaners, not commercial cleaners, right? So that's relevance. And then the second factor after relevance is the proximity. So if you search for house cleaners near me or just house cleaners, they're going to show you house cleaners that are physically closest to where your IP address is pinging from, okay? And so that's how Google's algorithm works, is unless you go through the steps of blocking your IP, they know where you're at. Now, it doesn't, not like to the exact, address necessarily, but they know what market you're in or what city you're in or what town you're in. And so they're going to grab that information, and then they're going to pull the information from, that they have based on who's got their business registered in that area. So if you're in, say, Wichita, Kansas, they're going to pull, if you're in the center, downtown of Wichita, Kansas, they're going to pull the house cleaners, if you're searching for that are closest to you, that have the closest relevance. So they won't show someone, and there's other factors, but they won't show a business that's like brand new or has a bunch of horrible reviews, because that's not relevant to them. They don't want you going to a business that has a bunch of bad reviews. So it's a combination of relevance and proximity. So again, the original question was, what's the benefit of having a GMB in each location that you're wanting to operate in? And that's why. Hope that helps.